Today's lesson on volume, lesson 3, is on composing or drawing, and then breaking into layers, right rectangular prisms. We are not building with cubes, but we are drawing and showing the layers. Today, with the volume, we're adding layers together to figure out the volume. We are not doing length times width times height. So, we're doing number 4 from their homework. It says to look at this prism below that's 4 meters long, 3 meters tall, and 2 meters wide. Now, in class today, we wrote down that to figure out how many cubes there are in a layer, you do the length times how deep it is. And in this case, we know from the problem that the length is 4, and it is too wide or too deep. So therefore, we know that each layer is going to have 8 cubes. So we know right now that each layer is going to have 8 cubes. Okay? Now we also know that from this picture, we know that it's 4 long, 3 tall, and 2 deep, or 2 wide. Okay? So we do know that to figure out the volume of this, not to figure out the layers, but to figure out the volume, we can do 4 times 3 times 2, length times width times height, and that would give us 24. So we do know the volume is going to be 24 meters cubed. So now we just have to figure out how many layers. Well, since we know the volume is 24, and we know that there's going to be a certain number of layers times 8 cubes in each layer, we know from our multiplication facts that 3 times 8 is 24. So in this drawing, all you have to do is 3 layers with 8 in each layer. So it has 3 layers. There's 8 in each one. And the total volume is 24 meters cubed. So that's how you would do and draw these types of problems.